Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to install the Python version. First go to the web browser on Google, type Python and click on it. The official website is visible python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Go to the downloads and the current version is visible for the Windows, that is 3.14.4. Click on it for download. The download is started. Let's wait the exe file downloaded. Wait for some time. The exe file downloaded. Just right click on it and open for the installation. The setup is started. First select use admin privileges and the path variable and click on customize installation. In optional feature, there are many features like documentations, PIP, IDLE. We will understand this later. First, we will begin with installation. Click on next. Here in advanced option, click on install Python 3.14 for all users. And here it is the location of your Python where it is downloaded. You can, if you want, you can change it and click on install and just click on yes. The setup is progress. It will take some time to install. The setup was successful. Click on close. Let's verify the Python is installed or not. In your search menu, open command prompt and search here for Python version and click enter. Yeah, it's given Python 3.14.4 version. We have successfully installed the Python in our system. We'll be starting a complete Python course in the upcoming days. Please like and subscribe for more videos. For the moment, bye bye.